EPFL scientists have developed an injectable gel that can attach to various kinds of soft internal tissues and repair tears resulting from an accident or trauma. Our soft tissues can be torn during a ski accident, a car accident, or an accident in the home, for example. And surgeons can have a hard time binding the tissue back together, as stitches often do more harm than good. According to the head of the Laboratory of Biomechanical Orthopedics (LBO) at EPFL's School of Engineering, such surgeries don't always produce optimal outcomes because the repaired tissue usually doesn't heal properly. This tends to be the case for tears in cartilage and the cornea, for instance. Researchers around the world have been trying for years to develop an adhesive for soft tissue that can withstand the natural stresses and strains within the human body. The EPFL group has now come up with a novel family of injectable biomaterials that can bind to various forms of soft tissue. Their bioadhesives, in the form of a gel, can be used in a variety of injury treatment applications. Their research has been published in the journal Macromolecular Rapid Communications. The hydrogel produced at LBO is made up of 85% water and has two key advantages. It can be injected anywhere in the human body, and it demonstrates high intrinsic adhesion with no extra surface treatment. It is injected in a liquid form but then sets when a light source is applied, enabling it to adhere to surrounding tissue. The scientist's hydrogel works through an entirely new design that allows for independent control of its mechanical and adhesive properties. The result is a versatile hydrogel that doctors can use as a glue for soft tissue throughout the human body. To obtain these versatile properties in their hydrogel, the scientists took the base polymer and modified it with the compounds that play an important role in tissue adhesion. The first is known as dopa and is derived from mussels. The second is an amino acid that our bodies make naturally. The advantage of these hydrogel compounds is that unlike some medical adhesives, they don't interfere with the body's chemical reactions, meaning this hydrogel is fully biocompatible. Their hydrogel also has unique energy dissipation characteristics that enhance its adhesive capability. The hydrogel is capable of dissipating the mechanical energy produced when the hydrogel deforms, so that it protects the interactions at the interface between the hydrogel and the surrounding tissue. Yet another benefit to this hydrogel is that it can carry drugs or cells to stimulate the healing process, especially for tissue like cartilage that doesn't regenerate on its own. And because the hydrogel is biodegradable, it is reabsorbed into the human body as the surrounding tissue heals. The researchers say that their in vitro tests showed that the hydrogel binds to many different kinds of tissue, including cartilage, meniscus, heart, liver, lung, kidney, and cornea.